Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to cancel Merrick Bank credit card. To cancel your Merrick Bank credit card is a straightforward process, so let's go ahead and dive into the video. First of all, go ahead and launch or open a web browser of your choice. Soon after you do that, go to the URL box and type in merrickbank.com and press enter to end up in the official website for Merrick Bank. Now once you end up in this page, scroll all the way down from the main home page and click on this Contact Us button at the very bottom. Under Contact Us, select Credit Cards, and you will be able to see the contact information that you can use in order to get connected with Merrick Bank and proceed with your credit card cancellation. Go ahead and make a phone call on the number displayed on the right hand side and speak to the customer service representative and tell them that you'd like to cancel your credit card. Be sure to provide any information about your account. You must be prepared to answer some security questions and confirm your request to cancel your credit card. Another way you can cancel the credit card is by using the mail service. Send a written request to the Merrick Bank to cancel your credit card, including your account information and a clear statement that you want to close the account, and mail it to this mail address. Make sure you've paid off your entire credit card balance before requesting closure. You'll still be responsible for any remaining charges and interest. So that is how you will be able to initiate and cancel your Merrick Bank credit card in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.